Hello everyone, this is the second video of your Python tutorial series. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to customize your Pycharm interface and how to write your first program in Python. So why are we still waiting? Let's start coding. Okay, let's open Pycharm like this. Now we can create a new project. I'm going to name my Python project as first project. Create. So guys, now I want to make a new Python file. To open a new Python file, I'm opening these things. Then I open File, New Python file, and I name it as main. Now you can go to Files, Setting. In the appearance section, you can change the theme, font and its size. When you go to editor, font, you can change the code in font and its size. Okay, let's go to write our first Python program. I'm writing print between parentheses and double quotation marks, hello world. Okay, let's run this code. Okay, this part is the console and it gives the output of the code. Okay, now I am writing the second line. Print, parenthesis, double quotation marks. I am codify. Run. Okay, now you guys can understand I wrote 2 lines of codes as well as the output is given in 2 lines. I am going to give you another example. In this case, I am going to print a triangle like this. Let's run this code. You can see a triangle like what we wrote in the code. But if we change our code like this, the output is also changed like this. Okay guys, now let me show you how to close a Python project. In this case, I go to Files, Close Project. Now you can see your project like this. Okay, in this episode, you guys learned some customization tips and the way of writing your first Python program. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe and drop a comment below. Stay tuned for our next episode of coding. Happy coding!
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast.